What's up, everybody? Today we are on another trip. We are heading to Louisville, Kentucky to the National Farm Machinery Show. Brighton, Brighton, Brighton.
She's about ready for her next nap.
Are you getting sleepy? Getting ready to board our flight to Chicago. Or no, we're in Chicago. We're getting ready to board our flight to Louisville.
Hi, any lithium batteries in your lower back? No.
Oh, look who it is. Look who's on our flight.
Oh my gosh,
Unbelievable.
Peterson.
Is that Ryan from How From's Work? Sound asleep. There's Ryan over there. Made it to the Louisville airport. Ryan's still with us. Are you following us? We found Brighton's own store. Look at that.
Not very amazed.
So we are here at the National Farm Machinery Show 2022. This is my fourth time attending the show. I think the first time we went was back in 2014, kind of right after we had gotten started making videos. And that was all three of us brothers. And then we've been back a couple times with two of us brothers. And this trip, obviously, as you saw at the beginning of the video, it's me and my wife BrookeAnna and our daughter, and then mom and dad. And the reason that we did that was because Kendall is about to have his second baby. So he wanted to make sure he was home and not gone. And then Nathan also kind of wanted to stay home. He's got a little one. He wanted to stay home. And they decided they didn't want to come to the farm show this year. And so I thought it was a great opportunity to get my mom and dad to come to the farm show. So you'll see them in this video. But it's been a great first day walking around the farm show here, seeing some different equipment. Obviously, we've got like Kubota and Great Plains, two of our partner companies that are from our hometown. A lot of this equipment that's around me is manufactured in our hometown of Salina and Assaria in Kansas there. So Great Plains is who we've worked with for the longest, basically ever since the early times. So we appreciate those partnerships. And there's lots of other equipment manufacturers here, pretty much all of them, it feels like. Just hundreds of booths, lots of equipment to see. I'm going to show you guys everything I get to see in this video. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy watching. Here's our exact planter sitting at the farm show, PL 5700. These guys have some model bins set up. It's kind of cool. All right, day 2 at the National Farm Machinery Show. We've got Brighton in the stroller again. You got a little sneeze going on? Got an Andy Clean sticker on the John Deere.
As long as I can have 70,000 standing, I leave them alone. I've seen 80,000 beans.
Stop to get something to eat. Ribeye sandwich. Brighton. Brighton.
Was that your first day?
We were here last night.
These were one of the tractors we saw at the tractor pull. 12,500 horsepower. That is a lot. That's a big old thing there. So it's raining here in Louisville, and this bridge has some water coming off of it. Hope this guy didn't have anything in the back of his truck. All right, this morning, BrookeAnna and I are going to be leading a song as part of a prayer gathering here in Freedom Hall at the National Farm Machinery Show. And so we're excited to do that. And you can actually watch it online on our Facebook page at Peterson Farm. So check it out if you want to see it. I'll probably include a few clips in the video here. So you excited?
Oh, yeah.
We're going to sing this song. We're going to pray this song over our 5-month-old daughter sitting over there in our parents' arms. We're going to pray it over everyone here today. We're going to pray it over the farming industry. We're going to pray it over the United States and over the entire world. And just pray that people will turn to Christ. Amen.
Oh, goodness.
Brighton, are you getting a little worn out?
She's so happy to see me.
Did you miss mommy? That is a big old valve right there. Abilene Machine. This is only 30 minutes from home. Ran into my friend Martin from Agroeco Power here at the farm show. If you guys remember, he came out with Agroeco Power, and they did a couple of dynos on the tractor and increased our horsepower.
Fuel savings.
Yeah, saving fuel. It was a cool deal. So it's been a good farm show so far.
So far, so good. A lot of people. Perfect.
Yeah, we're having fun. So the great thing about this farm show is that it's just so many booths, so many things to see all under one roof, basically. It starts way over here, and it's kind of a big L shape. The building goes all the way down to there, and so you basically never run out of things to see. I mean, we pretty much walked past everything in 3 days, but at the same time, yeah, we could have done things a lot more in depth. So definitely one of the best farm shows here in the United States, and this is my 4th time to go, and yeah, I enjoyed every time. It was really fun to go with my dad this year. We spent a lot of time walking around, me and him, while the girls did other stuff or looked at other stuff. So some good times. Upside down tractor. Safety first. There's a car that's been through the Kentucky tornado, or truck. Shout out to Smucker Manufacturing, who brought us here. We're actually on the banner there with the weed wiper video. They do the weed wipers as well as the VisionWorks cameras, which you've seen in our tractors. We have the VisionWorks cameras. What was your favorite part of the farm show, Mom?
I really liked helping with Brighton.
Yeah, holding Brighton. Mom's
Yeah.
favorite part of the farm show. What about you, Dad?
My favorite was holding Brighton also, but I also liked looking for dirt scrapers.
Looking for one of those hydraulic dirt scrapers.
I liked getting to lead worship at the
Prayer gathering. And I liked all the above. No, I liked getting to meet all the different YouTubers and other people who have social media pages. I think of all the farm shows I've been to, that one had the most I've ever got to meet. What about you, Brighton? What was your favorite part? What was your favorite part of the farm show? Brighton is worn out.